Good evening, my dear mummies from Balamban, Cebu. So I'm going to give you a demonstration on task 5. As mentioned earlier, I'll use my mobile phone to give you a better demonstration. So this is Coach Claire or Claire Fernandez from the ICT. So welcome once again to our ICT skills training for solo mothers, task 5. Okay, so first things first is we have to open Canva because it's where we will create our resume or edit our resume. So click on Canva. Here in the search box, you can type their resume or it's already there. So I just click resume, type resume, click the arrow. So if you notice, it will now load different types of resume. So in your case there, you can just, move down and check out the other resume. But be sure to find a resume that has a photo and of course your description. So in my case, I'll just make a very, very simple one. Okay. I'll just use a very simple one and I'll just edit some of the details. So for example, in my case here, I'll just use this one. Okay. So once it's loaded, first we have to change everything like the photo, then your name, the description, the profile, details, and other information. So in my case here, let's start with the photo. So to change the photo, just click it once. When you click it once, you have there the 4 circles at the corners. Then just click here, the button below. You see a copy, then the trash can button. There's a color button, replace and filter. So just click on delete. Delete image, yes. Just click on delete image. And now if you notice, the grid is still there. So I'll just click on replace and I will insert my photo. So I grabbed earlier from Facebook. Sorry. So I'll just choose my gallery and here is it. Here's my photo. Okay, so if you did, by default it's already there. So if you want to resize it, including the grid, you just have to click on the any of this arrow in the corners and just drag it. But in my case here, I'll make my face bigger or my photo bigger. So I just have to double click it. When I double click it, if you notice, the background is disabled. So I can now click, I'll just use arrow, this up, I mean, this circle at the top. So sorry, I have this notifications, I have to wait for this to be loaded. So anyway, okay, some of the mummies, they have uploaded a few. I've got some notifications. So as I said earlier, you can just double click it, then edit your photo. So in my case, I just do it that way. Okay, there you go. Then of course I have to rename this. So I just click on that name, then click edit, and you have it there. You just click your name. So mine is Claire Fernandez. So it's already 2 lines. So either you click on the dots or this one, the one at the one in between of the dots. I'll just click it at one side. So there you go. Then the software developer, the same. I will edit it. Click edit. I'll place your graphic designer. Okay. So it is up to you now. Just click it once more and then it will go to its original size. So you can click on the profile, the skills, and edit it also. But assuming we're already good to go, you have to click this arrow up at the upper right side. Click on the arrow because first we have to rename it, okay? We have to save as. So we will save it as. So PDF ba daw siya, no? Sorry, before we save as, I have to click on the triple dot and I have to rename it. So by default, the name is Gray and Black Professional Resume. So click ko yan, then lagyan ko ng Claire Fernandez Resume 2021. Okay, there you go. So that's already my file name. So it's already auto-saved. But of course, if you download it as an image, no, based on experience, hindi na save yung file name. But we'll just assume na na-save na siya. I'll just click on this download. So as I said, you can save it as a PDF file, which is what we recommend. But for some of you, you can also save it as a PNG, a PDF standard, or even as a video. But of course, in my case here, I'll just use the PNG for high quality image. Portable network graphics. So just click on it and click download. So it says here, preparing your design, making the magic happen. Okay, we just have to wait for it to load. And then it has a notification on the topmost side in green. Successfully saved, tap to view. I'll just click cancel, then I'll check where it's located. So in this Oppo version, in my Oppo unit, it's here in the file manager. So I'll just click on this one. Then it's there in the rarely used albums. So I'll just click on it. And here you go. There is it. Here's my resume. So here you have it already as a PDF file. But if you want it to save it as a JPG, it's okay also. But of course, since it's a document, I'll just use it as a PDF, save as a PDF file. So what's next? Na-download na natin siya. We will not upload it in our Google Classroom. So how will we do that? Very simple. Just click on Google Classroom. So here is my Google Classroom as a student. So, if example, by default, you can just click on the ICT training for solo mothers, Balamban chapter. So, there you go. So, that's it. That's where I am now. So, remember, this is how our interface look like. So, I'll just go to task. Here, task 5 on day 3. So, click on it, upload your Cebu resume, then click the arrow up this one because you will now upload your work. So, since I have an existing file attached earlier, I'll just click it, delete it. So, click on the X. So, click more remove. Then, I will now add another attachment or my new downloaded resume. I'll just click add attachment. So, there are options like drive, take photo, record video, upload file, link, and create. So, in my case here, I'll just upload file. And of course, I will direct it to the locations. In my case here, so here is the recent one I made. No? So, hindi na-save yung, it's a PNG, so hindi pa siya na-save. But I think I made a PDF file, as mentioned earlier. So, I can just click on the download. Oh, sorry, it's not here. Kasi di ba nandito siya sa file manager, I'm sorry. Oh, parang hirap naman ito, di ba? Nandoon siya sa parang rarely used. Sorry, wait, I need to find it. Select storage. Let me check if I can find it here in the, there's no document here anyway. Wait, I'm really very sorry. Open from. Sana file manager, but I don't see it here. Select storage, maybe this one, Canva. So it's there here in Canva, no? So just click on this one. Then click OK. So there you have it. It's now uploading. So iba din pala no, yung storage ng Canva. Then pag nandito ka na sa pag-upload, hanapin mo pa siya. So there you go, my PNG. Then I can just click turn in. Yes, resubmit or submit it para masubmit na siya. So, for example, you want to change it, click mo lang siya. Click and submit. Then, click on the X dito sa after the PNG. Click mo lang siya. Remove. Ayan. So, example, you have another attachment. So, click mo lang add attachment. Okay? Upload file. Ganun na naman. No? Hanapin natin saan niya sinave yung file natin. So, let's try to see if we can look for another location. But in my case here kasi, diba, sorry, I just used the file manager. So, dito lang tayo sa Canva, no? Kasi ganun na ginawa natin kanina, so ganun pa rin. Assuming lang you have another location where you want to save, where you save your file. Then, mark as done. And then, you're done for task 5. Turn in, submit again. Desubmit mo siya. So, nandyan na siya. Turned in mo na yung assignment mo. There you go. There, you have already your assignment. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and God bless.